Hi friends, this is Tanisha and welcome to my channel Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Recently I tried this very popular cake design known as comic cake or cartoon cake. It turned out really well, so thought to share the process with you all. I started with a sponge. You can use any cake flavor of your choice. Here I am making a mango flavored cake. I began with a sponge. I'm making my current favorite recipe. The ingredients and measurement for this sponge is available in the description. You must definitely give this recipe a try. They taste so good. Because this is a mango flavored cake, I added few drops of mango essence to the batter. This is how the batter is looking. I used two 4-inch cake tins with 300 grams of batter in each so that I can get a 4 layers of sponge for my cake. This design looks good on tall cakes, so there should be at least 4 layers of sponge inside. I soaked the sponge with mango juice. You can use simple sugar syrup as well. I'm using buttercream in the outer ring and for covering the cake. Inside I'm using whipped cream with mango crush and fresh mango pieces. The mango crush is a homemade one. Once all the layers are stacked, cover the cake with acetate sheet and keep in the fridge to set for at least 20 minutes. Always work with the cold cake and an air-conditioned room whenever working with buttercream. It becomes much easier to handle the cake and the cream. After the final coat, I kept the cake in the freezer for 10 minutes before I used the pink buttercream on top. Smooth the top and the sides using a spatula or a smoother and keep it back in the fridge to set again. Then, using some colorful buttercream, I made some sprinkles on the cake. Now for the main element, to create the comic look, we need to outline the cake with black buttercream. Before outlining, chill the cake once again and use the cream that is in room temperature for perfect finish. I used a writing nozzle for piping. This will ensure we get all the lines in same thickness. To get the jet black color in the buttercream, I took some buttercream and microwaved for some time and then added few drops of black gel color to it. Mixed and leave it in the counter for some time for the color to develop. This will give us a nice dark jet black buttercream which is otherwise difficult to achieve. I made the cherry and the candle using the fondant and outlined it with the edible black marker. That's the final look of our cake. Hope you all liked it. See you all soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.